Hi all, this is day 2 of my Octopus Energy heat pump installation. The lads arrived 8 o'clock this morning, worked right through really hard till 5 o'clock. They've done a lot of work today, mainly on the outside, the cupboard where the cylinder is, and in the loft. I did manage to get some biscuits and some cans of pop into them this time, so that was good. I'll start with the outside, and again I'll show you what they've done today. So heat pump, pretty much in place where it's going to be. It's going to be pushed back a bit further, and so they'll try and get it closer to the wall when I ask them. They've got some stands from a job in Morpeth, which isn't too far away. Drip tray on, show you on the back. It's not connected up yet. Electricity is, I think. New box there for electricity. Obviously need to finish the bit of the lagging on the pipes. It goes all the way up to there. All out through here without the dog escaping. All the way along. A bit more lagging to put on there. Up, and that's where the cupboard is, so in through the wall there. Almost forgot about this bit. Another Octopus engineer turned up this morning and capped off the gas and removed the smart meter, so no more standing charge. Right, this is the office where the cupboard and the cylinder is held that we saw yesterday. So some more work's been done in here today. I'll show you around just so you can see what's been done that's different to yesterday. It's hooked up now to the expansion vessel in the loft, and the pipework that's all held in the loft. And then that's going to the outside wall that we saw earlier, going down to the heat pump. I've got hot water now as well because they've managed to connect it up to the immersion, so I should be able to have a hot shower in the morning, which is good. And now I'll go up into the loft and show you what's changed there. And in the loft, a lot of work's been done in here today. All of the pipe work all plumbed in, expansion vessels on, connected to the wall. Come up without falling down again. That's the old baxi boiler off, so that needs disposed of. So again, closer view of that. They took the Hive receiver off for us and let us have that, because that's going on eBay. All the paperwork comes down here, and that's where it goes down into the cupboard below. So that's it for day 2. Again, I'll do another video for day 3. Thanks.